is our tutorial on how to play Jolly Old St. Nicholas on the flute. We're using our easy duet sheet music, which you can download at the link below. For this tutorial, we're going to learn the melody, which is part 1 on your sheet music. So first, let's listen to the melody from beginning to end. To help us practice this, we're going to break it down into 4 phrases, and we're going to slow the tempo down a little bit. Let's look at phrase 1, which starts on the note G. Now phrase 2 starts on the note C. Phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. Now here's phrase 4, which is similar to phrase 2, but it's a little different at the end. Okay, let's put all 4 of those phrases together, and we'll try the entire melody from beginning to end. In our next lesson, we're going to learn how to play the harmony part, which is part 2 on your sheet music. Once you learn that, you can get together with a friend and play a nice duet. So thanks for watching. Now go practice.